Hello everyone, and welcome to our second video tutorial on ellipses. In this video we are going to learn how to write an equation from a given set of conditions. So an example of this might be that they give us a set of vertices for the ellipse, and let's say they give it to us as -4, 0, and 4, 0. And let's say they give us the foci or foci at -2, 0, and 2, 0. Okay. From this, they expect us to write the standard equation for an ellipse, which for a horizontally orientated ellipse would be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. For a vertically orientated ellipse, it would be x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared. Okay? So, from this, we can in fact figure out the exact equation for this ellipse. So, what I like to do is graph my vertices, because I'm a very visual person, and it helps me see what I know and what I need to find. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to graph my vertices, and now I'm going to graph my foci as well. So, since it tells me that my vertices are these 2 points, that means that the distance between my vertices is in fact my major axis. Okay? And our major axis, the definition that we got, major axis, was 2a. So our major axis equals 2a. Well, since we know the distance, or we can figure out the distance between our 2 vertices, we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our distance is 8, and 8 equals 2a. Well, that means that a equals 4. So that means that a squared equals 16. We are halfway there. All we need to do is find out what b squared is. Now, b squared we can figure out from the relationship c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Now, where are we going to figure out this c? Well, that comes from our foci. Okay? The definition of our foci was given to us for a horizontally orientated ellipse as plus or minus c, 0. So that means that c is 2. Well, that also means that c squared is 4. So 4 equals 16 minus b squared. You subtract 16 from both sides, you get -12 equals -b squared. Get rid of that negative sign, multiply both sides by -1, you get b squared equals 12. Look at that. So that would mean that our final equation would be x squared over 16 plus y squared over 12 equals 1. And that right there would be your final answer.